What's up, everybody? I have a package to pick up today. Well, it was meant to be delivered today, but during, the driver was being lazy but obviously it didn't come to me. So I called them up and they said I can pick it up if I can be at the pickup store by 7 o'clock. So I just finished work, so I just gotta rush down there to pick up the package. I'll be back soon. So, well, didn't take long, did it? But I got this package. Pretty sure all of you know what it is. Pretty sure the title says what it is. So let's open it up and I'll show you closely what it looks like. And I also got one more package to open up. We'll show it really soon. Got my scissors ready. And my other package. Let's open it up. As I said, it's always fun opening a new package. Rear diffuser. Looks light. Looks really close to OEM. It's not genuine parts, so it was quite cheap. I didn't buy it. My workmates bought it for me. I have such a nice people around me. Here's the other package. The STI badge. Yes, they are shiny. I'll show you where I will be putting them on soon. Let's head to my shop and let the installation begin. What's up? I'm at the shop again. I put the car in a ramp a bit so I can actually work under the car there. So, as always, my brother James will be helping me for the installation, showing his undies. Nice. I have an instruction here somewhere. Got the instruction and the bolts for the installation probably. So where am I gonna put these? So I got two. So no, I'm not gonna put it at the back and the front. I'm actually gonna put it on my spoiler. It says SDI there, but you can't really see it. I tried to plastic dip it, but I failed miserably. So I bought this. I think they're the same size. So I'm just gonna stick it on. I think it's gonna look good. It's going everywhere. Here is the rear lip wing. It's always good to check. Those screws. And 2 parts. Excellent. Let's get the installation started. I took them out again just because one of the clip, there's a screw there, but when I use this screw, they just don't fit. I don't know how you have to fucking put them on, they just don't fit. So James is trying to find screws. Found one, hopefully it fits. It does. So James fixed this. Now the screw actually goes in properly.
The other side. Fix it.
The other side is where is it?
Perfect.
I'm trying to find the other clip. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Now James will fix the other clip. I'll put this clip up here. All the installation's been finished. It was easy. Well, I would say it was easier than Daylight. But it was a bit of a challenge for us. It wasn't too hard. Got all the stickers done as well. Car's clean. James is just cleaning it off for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe and leave the comment down below. Keep in touch with me. I'd like to be in touch with everyone else, not in gay way. Hope you have a good one till the next video. I'll catch you later. I'll say goodbye in Korean way this time. Byung!